6th grade books.
What's your first one?
First, there's Language C.
There's a lighthouse on it. Sorry, I really, really like lighthouses. But the test book doesn't look the same. You can hand them to me as you. What's on the front of the test book?
They got lazy here.
I agree. What made you pick that one for your language notebook?
One day, Grandma and I were walking through Walmart together, and it was near my birthday, so she was trying to find a present for me. Well, we walked through the women's shirt line, and there was this small extra small shirt, and it said, "Being a human is too complicated, time to be a unicorn." It was like black with purple and blue letters, and I'm like, I want that. And I tried it on, and it fit me, and it was the only one there, so we bought it. Plus, it was on clearance for $5.
So what does your language notebook say?
Born to be a unicorn.
That's awesome.
Which kind of fits in with the shirt.
I thought you had a floppy folder that matched it.
The floppy folder that matches it goes with my history. It says, create your own magic.
Ah, okay.
But we'll see more of that later.
So you like the plasticky filling floppy folders a lot better than the
corners.
We just had to add more paper to yours too. Rebecca's is like empty right now because where we had to swap all the old papers out and put new ones in. So we just filled all their books to start over for this semester. Because yeah, they got too full. All right, so what is your favorite thing about your spelling book?
It has a medieval scene, but they forgot to sword-proof his mouth. That is a bad idea. They need to sword-proof his mouth.
Things that only SCA kids notice. All right, can I have those? And then you have we need to empty out your spelling one too. We haven't done that yet. Yeah, so that one needs emptied out as well.
There's pretty rose drawings.
Right, but you can do pretty rose drawings on your new spelling list for this semester.
And this one, they didn't get lazy.
Yep, the picture matches. All right, let's talk math.
Huge.
It is huge, but we're gonna get through it together, right?
Yeah.
All right, so show me the new test book.
They got lazy on this one too.
Yeah, they did. It's okay though. And then show me your math book. You've been doing practice work in until we got the test book.
I did more drawings on this.
It's okay, that's what you do.
If there was an art class, I would take it. But there isn't an art class.
Well, there is. It's just not part of the required classes. And technically we do art.
And this one, they got lazy again.
What's your favorite thing so far in health? You don't like health.
I don't like health. Disgusting pictures and disgusting things I have to learn this year that is not to be mentioned on camera.
Yeah, Madeline doesn't like health this year.
These tear up way too easily.
Yeah, so we're not getting these. They look the same, but they're not. It's a different kind of plastic coating, so we are never getting those again. We're
Don't buy these at Walmart.
Yeah, get the other kind instead. All right, you can show the workbook first. Although it's starting to look.
Again.
I was talking. You interrupted. Say sorry.
Lazy.
No, say sorry the way you do.
Sorry.
All right, we got this used, and then she's kind of rough on books.
Lazy pants.
So one of the only things I really don't like about Abeka is that they have started dividing up quiz and worksheet books as the kids get older, and I just don't like that because I think it's a waste of paper. Yeah, you got to buy a new book, and to me it's just like a waste of paper. They should just put them together.
I put toothless eyes on my notebook.
Yep, and a star with a circle in the middle, or a star with a heart in the middle.
Yeah.
All right, now let's on to your absolute favorite subject.
History. Now, this isn't getting lazy. This is much better.
Yeah, I like those. And then you have a maps book. The maps book was that we forgot to do the. Which one did we forget? Did we forget all the test books for New World History? Sorry, I'm sorry.
But we bought this one.
Yeah, we got that one used, and then I just like completely forgot to do test books. So all the test books for history are used. She's still been working on the work and doing like questions in the floppy folder. Shh. We just haven't been doing tests. Well, so what we're gonna do is review all the end of chapter questions, and then she's going to go back over quizzes and tests. So yeah, and then there's the create your own magic notebook again. So history is your favorite. What's your least favorite?
Basically anything but language and spelling. So I would say
Math.
Health. Health because of the disgusting pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, learning about burns, you have to see the pictures. Ugh.
What do we tell everybody for watching?
Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.